A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. When you get a specific instruction from Jesus, what you do? You go do it same time and same way? Or you each start if and but? Why you think about it? And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here so. Today, I'm going to read from the Good News about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 11 from verse 1 to verse 11. Jesus and him follower them did reach near Jerusalem. When them catch a Bethpage and Bethany and Mount Olive, Jesus sent two him follower them and say, go at the district in front of uno. As uno catch this so, uno will find one young donkey when nobody never ride yet, tie up there. Loose it and carry it home. If nobody asks uno, what make uno a loose it? Tell them say, the Lord want it and he soon send it back. The follower them left and find the young donkey tie up on the road in front of the door. So they lose it. When they did lose the young donkey, some people who did turn up there ask them say, make you no lose the young donkey. Them answer how Jesus did say them fi answer. And the people make them go on with it. So then carry the donkey, go get Jesus, put them jacket pan him, and Jesus sit down pan him. Enough people spread them jacket pan the road, and some of them chop bush and spread them pan the road. The one them we go in front, and the one them we follow back at Jesus did a call out, praise God. God bless the one we are come for rule in our Father David kingdom. Praise God where they are heaven. When Jesus reached Jerusalem, him go in a God house. After he look round for everything, him and him 12 followers them left. Go to Bethany, cause it is late already. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.